Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free coins on Webtoon. So we're going to use the Webtoon mod. So let me just open it up right here. And as you can see, I got 2,670 coins. But in the mod menu, I can actually enable unlimited coins. So I'm going to go ahead and do that just to show you guys this actually works. So I just enabled it right here. So let's see if it goes up or not. So currently I'm just at 2,600. So let's see what we're doing and if we get some changes. So no, yo, it's working. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this Webtoon mod for your device so you can have unlimited coins. It's super cool. So if you guys are interested, keep watching and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So the first thing we're going to do is go to tweakmod.com. So this is like a modded website with all these different apps, and you just want to type in Webtoon, press install, and now it's going to start downloading. So at the end, guys, there is going to be a verification you got to do. So basically what you have to do is download like 2 of these apps and complete the instructions. But guys, this is 100% for free, and the apps are all from the real app store, so it's very safe. So I'm just going to wait for this to download. As you can see, so yeah, it's like fully working and everything, so you guys can enjoy this immediately. So I'm just going to wait for it to load, as you can see. All right, so let's just see what happens. Okay, so now it is bringing us to the final step, which is going to be the verification. So missing files right here, so you're just going to press on some of these apps. Like Travel Town says reach level 9, so just press continue. It'll bring you to the store, you download it, reach level 9. Or you could do like Cash Them All, where you got to get 15,000 coins, or you could do any of them. It doesn't really make a difference, but just make sure you download 2 of the apps, then you'll have the Webtoon mod on your device with unlimited coins. Super crazy. And yeah, it's fully working, guys, so be sure to try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, this is just so wild, bro. And it's like fully updated, so you guys can enjoy it no matter what phone you're using. So yeah, peace out, bro.